What is good? New investors, old investors, and everyone in between. Hope your week went well. If so, great. And if not, that's why I'm here to help you feel prepared for the next week so you can go out into the equity markets and stack your chips. I personally believe, and I know some of you might agree with me, that one of the greatest feelings is going into the week prepared with a plan that you can execute to reach your goals. That's exactly what we're bringing to you every video, every time. So before we dive in to the market today, make sure to subscribe to the channel, drop a like, leave a comment, because we're all about building that investor community here with Stack Your Chips. So let's get into it. The markets were kind of buzzing today, kind of not, but it's still important to stay on top of the numbers so you can make informed decisions on where to invest. So let's start with the S&P 500. I got that chart pulled up here. Uh, the S&P 500 had a bit of a back and forth session today, reaching a high of 597 and a low of 590. It ended the day at 595, closing just slightly below its high with a volume of 65 million shares. It's clear there's some action happening, but it's also a reminder that the markets can be volatile. As always, stay focused on your strategy and keep an eye on these key levels for potential moves in the coming days. I do want to jump into the 4-hour chart to kind of get like more of a picture of the intraday. Yesterday, we ran up to 601. Some would have thought, hey, we're going to continue higher. So those folks that were in calls, hopefully they got them dated a little further out. But we take it day by day here. And prior to the session starting, it gapped down. It was pretty obvious it was going to be a red day from my perspective. But saying that, I jumped in puts around that 596, 597 area. I bought some 594 puts, played them for a little bit, not the whole day, for the full move. Definitely missed out on some gains, but profited to say the least. It's a Friday. We want to take money home to the bank every chance we get. So that's what we did. We cashed out and made some money on those puts and kept it moving, right? So that was my day with the S&P. I don't trade it every day, but when I do, I look for moves like this, right? So I kind of want to shift over to a stock that I've been talking about in another video, in previous videos, American Battery Technology Company. If you're not familiar with this company, I need you to get familiar with them. They're working in the critical battery material space, focusing on everything from lithium ion battery recycling to mineral manufacturing for electric vehicles. Today, ABAT had a pretty wild ride with the stock hitting a high of $4.11 and a low of $2.90, and it closed at $3.36. It's been fluctuating a lot recently, and it's no surprise considering the recent announcement from the company just yesterday, December 26th, American Battery Technology announced a $10 million registered direct offering priced at $2.65 per share, which is a slight premium over its recent price action. But this could be a great sign. I think it is a great sign that the company is gearing up for some growth. This is coupled with another registered direct offering that happened last week and a grant announcement about a week, maybe a little over a week ago from the government of $144 million, which is not a small sum of money. It's a ton of money piling into this company, which should draw up green flags or red flags to say, hey, I should take a look at this stock. It's definitely on my watch list. And if you're interested in the renewable energy and electrical vehicle markets, I would add it to your watch list as well. But definitely do your own research, do your own due diligence before making any investments. I've been invested in this company since it was under $1. Actually invested about a week ago. But to say the least, I'm in it for the long haul. And I think this company does have some room to run um, before I start selling anything. So that's all I have for today, folks. Remember, having a plan, staying informed is key to stacking your chips. So be sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you like this information that I'm putting out, if you find value in it. And I'll catch you in the next one. Stay sharp.